without spending money. What if I told you it is super easy to create an AI animated story like this? Start a YouTube channel with it and turn it into a side hustle.
Milo trotted beside a sparkling stream. "I want to see the rainbow bridge," he said. Rain twirled out of the waterfall mist. "Follow me, little fox," the sprite giggled.
In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create AI animated stories using completely free AI tools. The best part, no camera, no drawing skill, no paid software. It is completely free. Just smart use of AI. Instead of typing, I already have a written guide to this video. You can do it your own way, but just in case you want the exact prompts used in creating this story, copy this video link from YouTube and paste in our Telegram channel. There you will be sent this file that contains the complete prompts and steps I used. We want to create a visual story perfect for both kids and adults that can be posted on social media as a side hustle and make money from it. But we don't know how this story should be. So we are going to use AI as an assistant to get the best story that has the potential of going viral and retaining audience attention. Let's get started. This prompt will tell AI to give us 5 different stories, each approximately 2 minutes long. These stories will be perfect for both kids and adults. After that, it should select the best one that has the highest potential of going viral and retaining audience attention. So this is the instruction. It will give us the master prompt for the stories we want. You can use any AI that can give you the prompts. It could be Cloud, it could be Gemini, it could be ChatGPT, and so on. But in my case, I will be working with ChatGPT because of the limit. So I want to show that even with the premium limit, daily limit, you can still achieve what you want from the free version. All right. So I will copy this prompt to get our master prompt. So I will open ChatGPT and paste this prompt and wait for it to create the master prompt for us. So you can see it has started generating the prompts that we will use for getting the story we actually want. So I just need to copy this. All right, so I will copy this prompt and give it back to ChatGPT. So it will start giving us stories. You can see line by line, it's giving us the stories. So this is the story 1, Luma and the Lost Star. This is the story 2, Pips Paper Plane Adventure. So you can see the third one, the fourth one, and the last one, Bramble and the Hidden Garden. So let's see the best one it will recommend for us. So he said the most likely to go viral is Milo and the Rainbow Bridge, which is which story? Okay, which is the third story. So we are using the free version. In fact, my limit for the day is exhausted. So, but still, we will get the most out of what we want. Then the next prompt is the visual prompts that I will use in my auto whisk. So this visual prompt will generate 5 visuals for us. This quote, I will replace it with the title of the story I want. Okay, so it will generate 20 different visual prompts for us. So we don't want it to be something that will be more than 6 seconds, because we'll be using Grok to actually get the animation. Grok will be our cameraman. So we'll copy this prompt and paste You can see it has started generating the 20 visual prompts for us. So let's wait for it to finish. So it has finished. So the next thing I want now is the text to image prompt. This will give us characters that will be consistent in our story. So character consistency is one of the major things that you should actually take serious while creating a story. So it will not just give us the character, it will give us the character in a plain background so that while using it, it will capture the full details. This is the story reference, right? So you can either paste the full story here or you can paste just the title of the story here. So I'll copy the full story and paste it here. So after that, I will copy the full prompts up to this place, paste in ChatGPT. These are the text to image prompts. It's like we have two characters that are needed to be consistent. Let's check the story again. The first character is Milo and the rain. So these are the two characters. I will copy the first prompt. Now we are using Google Whisk. This is also a free AI tool you can use to get any image you want. So I will click enter. The first setting you should look for here is your aspect ratio. Since you are creating it for YouTube, you use 16:9. If you are creating it for, let's say, TikTok or whatever, you use 9:16. So it depends on TikTok uses this size, even I think Facebook, Instagram. So YouTube uses a 16:9. So make sure it is there. I will paste the first prompt. All right, so the image has been generated, the first image. So I will copy the second image and paste in Whisk. These are the characters. So which one do I prefer? I think I prefer this. So I will download this and also download which one is the best among the two. Okay, I think okay, let's take this. So I will download the characters. So the next prompt I want is the prompt for our scene. I want to actually maintain the same scene. So I will copy this prompt for our scene and paste it into ChatGPT. Okay, so now this is the scene of our story. I just need to copy from beginning. So I will come to Whisk and paste. It's not everybody that go through all this, but I like to do this. This is my preference. It's not everybody that likes to do this. Let me go for this. All right. So I've gotten everything I want. So the next thing is our camera movement for our story. So I will copy the story and come to camera movement. I'll replace with this place, copy and paste story and scene. So I can just paste the story. So after that, I'll copy the full prompt and paste in ChatGPT to give us our camera movement for the story. It has finished. So I think this should be 20. All right. So the next thing we want to do is to actually visualize our story. You open what is called Auto Whisk, Google Auto Whisk. If you have not added this to your Chrome, so this is it. You just need to download and add to your Chrome. So after this, you can pin it. So that is it. So you open it, you come to this version 7.6. So I'll click. When you launch your Auto Whisk, you come to settings just in case your language is not in English. You choose English. Then come to auto download. Make sure it is checked. So the first thing we do, we come to our visual prompt for the story, 20 visual prompts. So I will copy from beginning to the end. I will paste it. So automatically you can see the prompts are 20. After that, you make some adjustments, you make some settings here. You come to this aspect ratio. Make sure you put it 16:9. Then make sure it is in one image per count. So you come to your reference image and you upload the image of the characters. You come to the, so the first character is this. Okay, the first name is actually Milo. So let me just do the right thing. So that is it. So the next thing, I will upload the scene. All right, so that is it. The next thing, I just need to click done. So after that, you double check if there is something you've not done correctly. Check your size, your image count, and the rest. Make sure it is set to 1. So you click start and wait for it to generate. This actually depends on the speed of your network. So it will start generating and downloading. So now that our images are ready for the story, let's come to downloads and see what it has given us. So when you come to downloads, Whisk will automatically create a folder for every project. So named Whisk downloads. So let's check our images for the story. You can see the consistency. So this was made possible using the method I showed you. You can see even the scene looks exactly the way we want it, instead of generating or suggesting random scenes for us. So now that we are done with this, the next thing we have to do is to generate our animation, to create the animation, the visuals for this story. All right, so what we will be using is Grok. So you come to grok.com. Grok is what we are going to use for generating our animation. So the first thing you do, you come to settings, you click behavior. You have to turn enable automatic video generation off, so that Grok will not automatically be generating videos for you without prompt. You have to click imagine, make sure you are here. The next thing you do is you come to video. Make sure your aspect ratio is 16:9, because we are creating this video for YouTube. So after that, you drag and drop your first image. The images are labeled. They are named 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 20. So you don't even need to start renaming again. Just looking at the numbers, I know the one I should start with and the one I should end with. This is my camera movement for the first image. So I will copy this movement, this camera movement, and paste. So let's wait for it to generate. But there is another thing you can do. Instead of waiting for every animation to complete, you can just right click imagine, then you open new tab. You drag and drop the second image while that one is still processing. Then come to ChatGPT, copy the second camera movement. So you paste here and start your generation. So let's check the first one. All right. So you can see the camera movement is actually working perfectly the way we have instructed it. You download, then you come to the second one, you download. So you repeat this process for all the images following each of the camera movements. So let me fast forward this process. Our animations have been generated completely. So let me come to downloads. So this is where they are. So one thing I like to do, I like to copy, not actually copy, I like to move everything to the whisk folder so that the project will be organized. So everything is here. So I have to rename all my videos according to how the story will be presented. If you look closely, the thumbnail of the image generated and the one in the video clip, they look alike. For the second one, the same thing. So you have to rename all your video clips so that it will be easier for you to edit following the narration. So after this, you come to Google AI Studio. You can see this is the link. You click playground, then this interface will be displayed to you. So choose a text to speech. You just choose the first one, then it will come to the next page. Then you select single speaker audio. You select, then you choose the voice you want to use. So you can test all the voices. So but okay, let me choose this. So after this, I will come to the style of narration. So read aloud in a warm and okay, storytelling tone for both kids and adults, so that the narration will follow the this pattern. That's why we are doing these settings. All right. So the next thing is I will come to ChatGPT and copy the story. This is the story. So I'll copy from the start to finish. This is the story. All right. So I will come back to Google AI Studio and paste it here, this test area. So after that, you click run. You wait for it to complete. So it has finished generating the voiceover for the story. So let me play it.
Milo trotted beside a sparkling stream. I want to see the rainbow bridge, he said. Rain twirled out of the waterfall.
All right, so after this, you download the voiceover. All right, so this is the final step for using AI. The next thing is how to put the story together. So you open CapCut. Then the first thing is you come to your download and import your the voice you just downloaded. So you import the voice and add the videos one after the other. You can see 1, 2, 3. So you have to add the videos, the video clip, all the videos. You have to add them to CapCut. So let me speed this process and return quickly. All right, I've added all my clips. I did two things after adding the clips. The first one, I cut some of the clips. The second, I added speed to some of the clips. Reason is to align with the voiceover. So just in case you want to add speed, you just need to click the clip, then come to speed. Then you can increase or decrease the speed of any clip just to fit into the voiceover. So that's all. Let me play the video to see what we've gotten so far.
Milo trotted beside a sparkling stream. I want to see the rainbow bridge, he said. Rain twirled out of the waterfall mist. Follow me, little fox.
All right, so that is it. There is something I still want to show you, how to add transition to the clips. So what you just need to do, you have to move your playhead in between the clips. You have to move your playhead. So, but I will just do that with the first and second clip. So I will come to transition, select, let me use the black fade. So this is it. I've added the transition. So I can reduce the duration of the transition. So let me just put it to 0.1 second. So after that, I will click apply to all. So it will then apply the transition to all the places that were cut. All right. So there is one last thing I want to show you. When you download video from Grok, automatically Grok sometimes add background noise to the video. All right, so you can choose to mute the background noise or you can reduce the noise. So just in case you want to reduce the noise of any video, the volume rather, so you can select all the clip or you select one after the other. So let me show you this. I just need to select this, then come to audio, yes, audio, then volume. So this is where to increase or decrease the background noise to prevent it not to interrupt the voiceover. All right, so you just need to lower it down. The background noise doesn't need to be louder than the voiceover. So that is it. But in my case, I think the background noise is okay. No need to make any adjustments. All right. So I think that is the final result. So after that, after you've played your video and you are satisfied, you just need to export here. So let me play the final results.
Milo trotted beside a sparkling stream. I want to see the rainbow bridge, he said. Rain twirled out of the waterfall mist. Follow me, little fox, the sprite giggled. Milo bounded over mossy rocks, ears perked. A rainbow shimmered.
And that is exactly how to create AI animated stories using completely free AI tools. If you stay consistent and upload even 2 or 3 videos per week, this can grow into real income over time. The best part, you don't even need to show your face. You don't need expensive software, just smart use of AI. If you want more AI side hustle like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow all my pages. Bye for now.